How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do that. So let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is open up Instagram application and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you can just go ahead and select your messaging section at the top right corner. Now once you get to this inbox, at the top right you have different options. You can select different kind of chats. And if you tap on more options, you have an option to mark as read, unread, flag them, or mute messages calls. And right besides that, you have an option to create a new chat. And once you tap on it, there should be an option that says create broadcast. So in order to create a broadcast channels, you need to have a professional account, either creator or business account. And you need to have certain amount of following as well. So if you complete all of those criterias, your broadcast channel will now show up on this option, and you can create a broadcast channel for your followers. Unfortunately, it's not available on mine because even though I have a creator account, I have my professional account turned on. I'm not able to get that because of the following that I have. I don't have that much following, and my account is not that, but if you have a verified account and if you are some creator that's known, you should have the broadcast channel option right up above. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.